But now I want to introduce you to Juliet. Now, you know, I wish you guys had an opportunity to visit Juliet at her school today and to see with how much pride she walks around there. And I will, after Juliet's spoken, I'm going to tell the story about what the circuit manager said about the challenge that they now have with children, you know, too many children at Nirvana Primary and not enough in the other schools, but we'll tell that story later. So Juliet is the principal of Nirvana Primary. She's been a proud partner of Jan Louis, and the two of them have just been inspiring all of us. So Juliet, over to you. We'd love to hear your story.
Thank you, Louise, for this opportunity. I would like to say thank you again for choosing us to represent Letsitele Partnership. The background history of Nirvana Primary School, it's a school which was started in 1995 with only 31 substandard A children, currently known as grade 1s. It had only 2 teachers. One has retired now and the other one is still with us. The meaning of Nyabana is the name of Chief Shoko. The school is located in Limpopo Province, Mopani West District, the deep rural of Greater Tzaneen Municipality. Now it has grown to more than 800 learners with trained permanently employed teachers, 2 adult teachers, 1 admin officer, 4 volunteers, food handlers, 2 volunteer security guards, 5 volunteers cleaners, and 3 volunteer scanners due to this COVID. It brings us to the number of 36 workers in all. I voluntarily joined Partners for Possibilities in the late years of 2015. When I was invited over to join the partnership, I was so overwhelmed, knowing that it's a myth that white people has money. And I was very happy that it will bring a lot of money into school, since we don't receive much here from the government. But it brought more than money into our lives because they brought a lot of things. What I've learned from the team is just, it has got a very positive impact because I was paired with Jan Louis, who is a workaholic. He is always supporting and mentoring us. He is a reader of books, and of which, when he reads a book, he wants me to also know about what is happening in terms of management and leadership. And it also has an impact because we have a lot of programs that we got from this partnership. And Jan Louis and his family, they are very human with kind hearts. They even help our poor kids from their own pockets, taking from their family to help us when we are in need of something. I am very much proud to be in this partnership. It has gone from a partnership into a family. He is my brother. I even mentioned it, Louise, when you came, that I'm happy to have a white brother. I have a white dad, Brent Tutorials. You are my dad. And thank you for the book that you sent me. So the family is always by my side, wanting to know what is happening in a child, moreover a Black child. They want to know how far is the progress with learning. What is it that we can do as a family now, I mean with his wife, what is it that we can do for learners to get a better education? Because our children, where they are receiving a better education, and of which we wish that even a Black child can receive such. I've learned so much from Jan Louis. I've also learned about time management. I've also learned about communication. When we started the journey, I've learned that you cannot do things alone. I used to be a dictator. I wanted things to go by my way, the way I wanted, the time I wanted. I wanted things to be done the way I wanted it. And then they said, no, sister, this is not how things should be done. You have to establish committees. You have to work as a team. You have to listen to other people. What are they saying? It was tough for me in the beginning because I could not understand it. It was for the first time I had to use to do it. But as we went on and on, I used those strategies, and now today I'm doing nothing. The school, the team is working for me. I only read and sign where what they have done because of him, my brother here. And I would love to encourage other school principals that if they, in case, get this opportunity, they should accept it. Because we have gained a lot of things. We have got health projects from our schools. We even celebrate Mandela projects with them. This is one thing that I have learned from him as a marketing director, that working with a pen only is nothing. He works very hard. He is as strong as an ox when it comes to Mandela project because it needs physical attention. We have gained projects such as Kemi, where they've even donated some gadgets for us. They are paying licenses every month for our kids to get a better education. They've even brought us brain boosters as a project where when teaching a foundation phase child becomes so easy because each and every child has got own material. They are not sharing. Since this COVID is also dictating us not to share things physically. Now we are having a new program with Macris Institute, where teachers are going there to attend workshops, and Magri also come directly into our schools to workshop our learners. And all this has erased what I had in mind when I joined this. Because I thought, this Mlungu is going to fault find us blacks. He is going to make sure that we are indeed lazy. But no, he is my shoulder to cry on. I even call him, I don't mind what time is it, because I know that I will get what I need, so as we help a child to grow in a very challenging industrial revolution. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm so happy. Thank you. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, Theo, for taking our story. Thank you, guys.